In this video, we will see how to make quick, simple and easy atta laddu recipe. Let's begin. To begin with, we will take in a bowl 2 cups of wheat flour atta. In this, add half a teaspoon of black cardamom seeds. Don't crush them. Add them as it is. Then this is desi ghee, clarified butter. Add 2 tablespoons of desi ghee. This is in semi-solid state. Properly incorporate the ghee in the flour. If you are able to hold the flour like this, it shows that the ghee is perfect in your flour. Time to add sugar. Add about 4 tablespoons of sugar in this, and equally 4 tablespoons of desiccated coconut. Adding coconut is completely optional. Now mix in both the sugar and coconut in the flour. Next we are going to knead this flour, adding water little at a time. Make a stiff dough out of it. Total we used here about 1 cup of water. After we are done, we will take small portions of this dough and roll them in a length like about a 6-inch thick rope, and then fold it like this as you can see in the video. Let's take another example. Take a little portion of the dough, applying little bit oil over your kitchen counter. We'll make all of them and keep them ready aside, and then fry them in hot ghee till they are golden and crispy. Fry them over a medium heat so that they don't remain raw inside. After they are done, and when they are still hot, sprinkle these atta laddus with little bit of khashkash, that is poppy seed. Hope you liked the recipe. Do make and enjoy these Kashmiri style conch shell atta laddus. Till we meet again, keep happy and healthy. Bye bye.